Hello friends. Now let us see a demo program on both input function and print function. Already the same program we have seen in the third chapter. Now we are learning everything formally. That's why once again the same program biodata I am giving, the program number 5.9. Now you see that one thing remember, simply seeing the program you feel everything simple. When you are writing programs, when you are executing programs, then problems will come. Where you commit mistake, being a novice of programming, you may not know where you commit mistakes because it is not your regular subject. Now we have entered into that. That's why all the things, all the elements should be registered in your brain. Don't take it as granted that you are able to understand everything. Understanding is different. Car driving, only by implementation you can know. While description it may be so simple, but only thing is, whenever you are driving the car for the first time, definitely commit mistakes. First time it never be successful. After tuning up, that means your brain owns all the concepts, all the techniques in that, then only you can drive a car well. That point you remember. That's why nothing is simple. It may be simple, but until unless you practice once, you cannot take it as granted. You know the concept. Okay, that's why I am giving a program by implementing both the input function and the print function. Now we see that first a biodata of a person we are writing. In that you know that name, gender, age, height, weight, qualification, address. These are the elements we are using. Actually, here one thing already I told you, input function by default takes every argument as a string regardless of its value, regardless of its nature. Suppose if you enter Anil, that is a string. And the second one, if you enter your age as 16, that is also taken as a string. And if you enter your age as 5.2, that is also taken as a string. But in this context, actually you need not convert them. Why? Just you are simply displaying it. Here one point always you remember. Analogically, you want to show to somebody, to your friend, you have 5 chocolates. So you show him, I have 5 chocolates. So for showing, no problem. When problem comes, if you have to consume that, then you must remove the wrapper. Until unless you remove the wrapper, you cannot consume a chocolate. In the same manner, here, suppose your age 16, the 16 is wrapped. For displaying, no problem. Your height 5.2, it is wrapped, no problem for displaying. But if you want to add 1 or make some operation on that, then problem will come. That wrapper should be removed. In this program, we need not remove the wrapper. We can consider them as string and display them. That point, very important point, you must learn. That's why, regardless of the type of the data, we are treating it as a string. So now you see the input statement. Already I told you, you must write a prompt statement, precise prompt statement. It should be understandable to the user of the program, and you should not have any confusion. Very simple, precise. Only one test, whether the prompt statement is understandable to others or not. That's it. That is enough. So enter your name, enter your gender, enter your age, like that prompt statements you are writing. Here one practical problem is there. What is the practical problem? As far as name, gender, age, etc. and all that, only 1 word or 2 words or 3 words. As far as address is concerned, if you take a real-time environment, address is normally very big. It contains many elements like your building name, flat number, your street name, your area name, your sector, your city, your pin code, your state. Many elements are there. In such case, what happens? In order to make it practicable, then I have divided address into 3 lines. 3 lines. That point you must remember. One thing I am writing, I am telling you. Even though you are a beginner today, tomorrow your destination is you want to evolve as a programmer, professional programmer. That's why, as far as possible, you adopt the professionalism. If you know one element practically, you apply in a professional manner, not like in a student manner. So that's why address I have given in 3 lines. You read 3 strings. Okay. With that, the set of input statements we have written. Thereafter we have to write them. For that purpose, what we are using? Print. Print, already I told you, not simply dumping data. People cannot understand. For every data item, the corresponding label we write. What is the label? Name, gender, age, height, weight, like that labels you write. If you write labels, then only our output is readable. You write it, the formally you write. Now you learnt everything formally. That's why you write a formal program. So ultimately, whatever you expect, that output you are able to display. So once again I am telling you, write this program on your own. Now don't copy that, just close the book, and you know that what are the contents in the biodata program. That's why you write it on your own. At the end of that, you feel the sense of achievement. That I need not explain that. You experience it. If you write the program on your own 100%, then only you can feel, you can enjoy the sense of achievement. That point always you remember and